So hello fellow coin collectors, and in today's video we're actually going to go through the pre-decimal system and how it actually works. So here I actually have a lot of coins, and as you can see I've got New Zealand, Ireland, UK, Australia, more UK, Australia. So it actually doesn't matter. Oh wait, I should actually have some more coins. So it doesn't matter on the actual country that actually issued the coins, because the system is based on the UK pound, so it will work the same. So here you go, got some East African coins. So they are a bit different, but their ratios are pretty much the same. So got some threepence, and then you get some actual strange denominations. We'll go through those last. So in this system, we have the lowest coin is pretty common. There are actually smaller coins like the 1/3 farthing, but they were mostly issued for other places and not the UK. So smallest coin used in the UK and probably some other places is the actual farthing. So this is worth to the actual 1 penny. So the 1 penny is what we're going to use as the standard. So you actually need 4 farthings to equal 1 penny. So that is the actual ratio. And then that light looks weird. Then we actually have the halfpenny. So the actual halfpenny, you needed 2 halfpennies to equal 1 halfpenny. And to make a halfpenny, you needed 2 florins. So that is the ratio. Each of these coins is 1/2 of the other. So that's why you got a half of a penny. And then you have the farthing, which is a quarter of a penny. So that is the actual bronze coins. Then the next smallest silver or other base metal coins is the threepence. So this was originally a silver coin, but later on they actually changed it to a base metal coin. So here we have an Australian threepence. Here we have a West Africa threepence. It's 1938. This is a copper nickel coin. And then we have the UK threepence. So this is 1937. This is a brass coin. So this circulated up until 1945 with the silver coin, but you know that's not really important. So basically we're going to actually put the ratios to the shilling. So the shilling is one of the main areas of subdivision along with the actual penny. So to a shilling for the silver coins, we needed 4 threepence because a shilling is worth 12 pence. So here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we've got 12 pennies. You can see how many pennies there are. Quite a lot. And that equals just one of these coins. So you have to remember the penny is actually a bronze coin or a copper nickel coin, depends on where you are. And this one was originally a silver coin. So later on it was copper nickel. But the ratio still stayed the same for most countries. The last country that actually got rid of the pre-decimal coins was Nigeria in 1973, and that was just because they had a civil war. Okay, so we got the threepence. The next coin we actually have is the actual sixpence. So with the sixpence, you needed 2 coins to equal 1 shilling. With the threepence, you needed 2 coins, because you got 3 and 6. So you needed 2 coins to equal a 6 pence. You should be writing this down if you're not too familiar with it. So to make a shilling with a threepence, you needed 4 coins. So 4 threepence equals a shilling. And then you got 2 sixpence equals a shilling. So each of these is worth 1 shilling. Then you got multiples of a shilling. So we've got multiples, which is a florin or 2 shillings. Yeah. So the florin was introduced in the 1830s as a 1/10 of a pound. So you need 10 of these. So I've got 10. This is a pound. So 1 pound equals 20 shillings. I don't have 20 shillings. I'll probably do actually. But you need 20 of these to equal 1 pound. And then another multiple of that is the half crown and the actual crown. So a crown is worth 5 shillings. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That equals a crown. And a crown is worth 1/4 of a pound. So you needed 5 crowns to equal 1 pound. So I've only actually got the 1 crown, but I actually have quite a few half crowns. So this one, you needed 2 half crowns to equal 1 crown. Or you needed to equal a half crown, you needed a florin and a sixpence. So that is a half crown. Or you could actually use 2 shillings and a sixpence. Or if you don't have the sixpence, you can actually use 2 shillings and 2 threepence. But if you wanted to make a half crown with pennies, you needed 12, 24 plus 6. That makes 30. So you needed actually, I'm not going to put 30 here, but you need 30 of these pennies. Actually, I probably do have 30. Let's count them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's zoom out. 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's do the Australians. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then we've got 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there's 30. Let's remove the other coins. So there is 30 pennies. So you've got 12, 24, and 6 is 30. So you need 30 of these actually to make 1 half crown. And if you wanted to make a crown, you needed to double that. So you've got 60. So that is the actual currency of Predecimal. How many pennies would you need to actually equal 1 pound? Well, if you've got to 1 shilling, you've got 12 pennies. So you got 12. And you needed 21 shilling coins equals 1 pound. So you got 20 times 12. If that's a bit hard to work out, you got 2 times 12 equals 24. Put a 0 on the end, 240. So it's actually quite a lot of actual pennies. And if we're in circulation now, These pennies wouldn't be in circulation because they probably would have been taken out or reduced in size and made a smaller coin. So I hope this actually wasn't too confusing. If it is, I need to just make another video, make it a lot simpler. And thank you very much for watching, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.